How to pay Hyperoptic Bill. So you'll be able to do this using any web browser, whether you do that on your mobile device, whether that be your iPhone or Android, or you can go on your laptops or computers. All you have to do is go to account.hyperoptic.com, make sure you log in. If you've not created an account yet, you might need to log in, sign up, get to this page here, the homepage dashboard. Then you want to scroll down until it says billing. The section there in billing should say make a payment. So you want to go ahead and click on make a payment. There you'll be prompted to add a new card. Type in the amount first though that you owe Hyperoptic. Then you want to click on add new card. You want to put in your card details. Of course, I'm not going to show you my card details, but you'll put yours in there. Then once you've done that and you've typed them in correctly, you should see this where it says thank you, your payment is on its way. And that's when you know the payment has gone through correctly and you're done. Leave a like on the video for help, and subscribe for my helpful videos.